Bones.
Guys, I'm sorry for not uploading videos for 2 weeks plus or even more than that, because recently I've gotten even more busier in school because of having more stay backs as exams are coming. To be more exact, it's this week only, so I'm especially stressed for that. And I will be only uploading more videos once my exams are over, like during my June holidays when I'm very free. And I'm especially stressed for my exams. I'm scared that I will fail and stuff, so I have to prepare more, like revise more, and especially for oral exam, because today I just had my oral trial and I don't think I did very well for that because I just have to think very long before I say one sentence. It's like when I face the examiner, my mind is like totally blank, if you get what I mean. Sorry if I talk too much. Anyway, for the squishy tag is created by SakuraSweetsYuki, so I'll leave her channel in the description box down below so you can check out her channel. And full credits goes to her. I'm just like doing this tag, but she didn't exactly tag me like I tagged Duckbone. She didn't tag me, but she just said like I tag you, so it's counted, I guess. I'm just doing this tag for fun. So the first question is most realistic squishy, and I'm choosing this Bradle tortoise. The reason why I think it's realistic is because I like the texturing and shading. I think like it's quite realistic. I really like the shading and texturing and all that. And it's in its original packaging. My god. I don't know, is it just me or that my camera just isn't working that well today? It's like of really bad quality today for some reason. The bag is super textured also. So that's the first one. Question is most colorful squishy, which I'm choosing this My Melody Head Swiss roll or cake thing. The reason why I think this is like colorful is because it has like pink, red and green and white. And I don't really have a lot of colorful squishies, so I'm choosing this. Question is most detailed squishy, and I'm choosing this Hello Kitty chocolate donut, which I got from a Strapero package number 1. I have that video uploaded already, so you can go check that video out if you want. My camera is blurry for some reason, and it's super soft and squishy. I'm thinking of selling my phone so I can buy a better phone and have a better camera. But I'm not sure yet. And the reason why I think it's detailed is because the squishy itself is really like well shaded and well textured. It's like not over textured, but it's just well textured. And I really like that, and it has a lot of sprinkles, different sprinkles on it, and I just think that it's really detailed. Question is softest squishy, and I have this Cafe DM old non-reproduced double scoop ice cream. It has this stretchy surface strip and this tag, which I really like. It's not that squishy, but I think it's really soft. Like you don't really need a lot of energy to squish it. So that's my softest squishy. And I also have this common Kiritori melon bun squishy. Super soft also. And next I have this Cafe DM light pink macaron. Super soft. And quite squishy as well. Question is hardest squishy, and I'm definitely choosing these two. they are not hard as in rock hard, but they are of stress ball material because they are stress ball, of course. And I have this heart. It's funny and squishy, and I have this pig with me because it squeezes out poop, and like the poop is smudged onto its butt. The poop is really sticky also. But if you don't consider that as a squishy, then I'm choosing this beaten bun, because I think the face is like really pedo-ish. It's actually pretty soft and squishy as well. Question is most adorable squishy, and I have this pig, which is also from my SakuraSweetsYuki package. Oh. And I have this hamster from my SakuraSweetsYuki package. I'm actually really glad I got these, because I've been wanting them for a long time. And this tiny bear. Because it's super tiny, that's why it's cute, and the face is also really cute. Is pretty squishy, and I'm also choosing this Cafe Dien macaron because I don't really have a pretty squishy. But I really like the packaging of this. I like the color combination and the ball chain on it. This question, which is the last question, is your nicest smelling squishy, and I'm choosing a few for this. Firstly, I have this panda bun, which smells of like sweet popcorn, I guess, and this Hello Kitty fake macaron. Actually, I guess it doesn't really qualify for nicest smelling squishy because like the smell is fading, but before that it's like vanilla whipped cream, and it's actually really soft and squishy, but you can't really see it because it's in its packaging. And I have this eye bloom squishy. I don't really know what is this character, sorry, but it looks like some sort of caterpillar thing. And it smells like lemon air freshener. I don't know why it smells like that. I thought it's supposed to smell like bread, but it smells like lemon air freshener. And lastly, I have this Pai Chow old version one, this Pai Chow cream puff. So that's all for my creative squishy tag. If you enjoyed this video, bye bye.